In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how I can fix Dinput8.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to take note is to know the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL file and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click download and wait for this to be downloaded. Okay, so let me try again. Okay, here it is. So once done, click on the folder icon and then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the file, DLL file, right click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder and double click. Scroll down to the System32 folder. If you are a 32-bit Windows, go to SYSWOW64. If you are a 64-bit, go to System32. Right click and then select paste. Click on replace the file in the destination. Now once done, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next method, open a browser again and search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Also consider to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here and update your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.